Hello friends, today we are going to visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. So first we take a number line, which is what we have got. We know that 3.765 is greater than 3 and less than 4. So it is obvious that 3.765 will lie somewhere between 3 and 4 on the number line. Now according to successive magnification, we will zoom in a bit on the number line so that we can see decimal numbers between 3 and 4 such as 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 to 3.9. Now again we look at 3.765, we will know that this number is greater than 3.7 and is smaller than 3.8. But we have to zoom further on this number line because only this zoom we cannot spot 3.765 on the number line. After zooming a little more, we can see numbers from 3.71 to 3.79. Now once again we will analyze 3.765. Then we will know that 3.765 is bigger than 3.76 and is smaller than 3.77. So we will once again zoom this number line. We will zoom so that we can get 3.765 number line, and look, after repeatedly zooming the number line, we have got to 3.765 number line.